morning. It's kind of a cool start here this morning. We've got the clouds overhead. We've had some rain in Fargo, but as we look off to the northeast, we can see a sliver of clearing and that sun coming up with just a line of orange fire going on there. We're looking at some really cool conditions out to the northeast rather. Now we are still dealing with cloud cover in Fargo and also some showers in and around the region, and perhaps even some thunder showers soon too as this next system affects us today. So checking out your radar and satellite map, you can see we've got light showers happening for most of us in the valley. You can see that it's a little more steady in places like Wilkin County, near Fergus Falls, west of town there. And then there's a line that's trying to get a little stronger in southern parts of Cass County here. We'll zoom in a little bit more. Fargo kind of in a little bit of a lull. You can see those showers north of town. And then out to the south and west, you can see this area of rain in southwestern parts of Cass County. And this is all kind of lifting northward. So this is going to be passing over that I-94 corridor here, affecting places like Castleton, back through Valley City. And there's more rain just along the the county line of Stutzman and Kidder County here too. So the Medina area getting some rain. And then of course this larger area of rain and thunderstorms that have been developing this morning in north central parts of South Dakota. And this is going to kind of be working its way east-northeastward. So we're keeping an eye for these storms to affect places like the James River Valley and eventually swing through here for today if they hold together in other parts of the viewing area. Our temperatures are in the 50s to some low 60s in most spots. It's 59 degrees in Fargo, 61 in Detroit Lakes and in Fergus Falls. And we're looking at some wind speeds that are light, up to 17 miles per hour in Oaks, but a lot of calm reports coming in this morning too. And then checking out your visibility, good everywhere except for those spots where we're getting that rain. It's going to be lower there. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. Again, some light rain showers to start, and then here comes the more substantial rain in the southwest that just kind of works its way to the northeast as we progress through the morning and into the afternoon. And so that's going to have an impact on temperatures. The second it starts to move over, you start to get that rain, it starts cooling us down. So we're looking at, by the time we're in the 3 o'clock hour, Fargo may be back down into the 60s after a warm up to the low 70s today. You can see we're still on the drier side up in the northeast, and so we're still not quite in those lower numbers. Checking out your afternoon and evening, those rain showers and thunder showers continue. These should stay in just kind of a general thunderstorm category, but we'll be watching to see if any of these ramp up, and if they do, we will of course let you know. And as heading into tonight, you can see that we're still dealing with some rain, but it kind of basically fizzles out into the overnight hours. We get a little bit of a break into tomorrow morning, and then starting off the day tomorrow, we start to see more of those showers move in. But overall, the first half of Friday will be more of us will be dry than we'll be getting rain. However, heading into the afternoon, more rain, more thunderstorms start to form, and we're looking at the potential for some of these afternoon and evening hours again on a Friday night. We're looking at the potential for some of these to be strong to maybe even severe. So for your rainfall potential, this is through Friday evening that we're looking at 11 o'clock. So over the next 2 days or so, we're going to see some areas of significant rain, some spots where we're a ½ inch or more, and then some areas where we're looking at that 1 inch or more range. And so again, we're looking at a good wet stretch here going on, and that's just going to continue here into the weekend. And speaking of rain, we've got a rainbow in our photo in the Webster area. Thanks, Kayla, for sharing. And here's your 7-day planner. Expect to have that chance for some rain and some thunderstorms today. We'll also be moving into Friday with a chance for some rain and storms, especially into the afternoon and evening hours, and this weekend looks unsettled as well. Now, heading into next week, that pattern change starts up, especially into midweek. So just have to get through the weekend if you're not loving this kind of weather.
Okay. The end is in sight.
It is.
Thank you, Lisa.
Mother Nature left her mark on our area 62 years ago today with a large tornado. After the break, how that event has inspired a local musical.